Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review into GoFunded Trader. If you're looking for a prop firm with competitive pricing that can scale all the way up to $2 million in capital, then definitely look at the Funded Trader. We're going to be looking at the account types, the rules, the trading conditions, and what makes GoFunded Trader stand out from the crowd. But before we get into it, also make sure that you subscribe to the channel, as we've noticed 90% of you haven't subscribed. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notifications as well so you never miss any of our videos, and let's get into this review. As soon as you enter GoFunded Trader, one nice thing that they do give to you is the chance to enter into a $100,000 challenge account giveaway. All you gotta do is click enter for $100,000, share your email. GoFunded Traders doesn't just follow the crowd, they've gone all in with a buffet of account options, including the chance to actually get up to $2 million in capital. Like I said before, you can get paid up to 100% on demand, which is amazing. The fact that you don't have to wait for these payouts, they're claiming that you can do it on demand, so we're going to see how accurate that is in a minute. All of the tech on GoFunded Trader is completely 100% their own. They've given out $9.1 million in payouts to over 98,000 plus traders. Like I said before, there are a bunch of account options to choose from that we'll get into in a moment. Let's look at some of the rules first and make this prop firm stand out. You've got news trading allowed, fast bi-weekly rewards, first reward comes on demand, there are no time limits, no hidden rules, 100% profit split, 100% refundable fees, and a guarantee that you get your rewards within 2 business days. So let's look at the account options that are available for GoFunded Trader. The one-step option that you can choose from ranges from a 15k account at the lowest to a 200k account at its highest. You've got a profit target of 10% in order to pass this account. Your daily drawdown is 4% and your maximum drawdown is 6%. And there is no time limit to trade on this. There's no minimum days that you need to trade. You can pass your account as quickly as possible. So your reward schedule, you can do it bi-weekly, or there is an add-on to add on-demand payments. The standard profit split on this is 80%, but there is an add-on to increase that to 100%. So there is always an option to customize your account to get the best deals out of it. The discount code is automatically applied. You can click the link in our description below as well, and you'll be able to find the most up-to-date discount code for whenever you're watching this video. If you're watching this a couple months after this was uploaded, this one might have changed from now, so make sure you go ahead and check that out, as we'll always update it with the most latest ones. Make sure you go ahead and check that out, as we'll always update it. But you can use this one that's automatically applied at the moment, the code MT5, and then use it with MetaTrader 5, where you get up to 35% off and 100% refund. So it usually costs $170, but you can get it for $114 at the moment. 25k account you can get for $155, 50k account is $228, 100k account is $398, and the 200k account is $708. Then we go on to the two-step options, where you've got 3 different options to choose from in the two-step. Go, which is the most popular, where your profit target is 8% in the first phase and 6% in the second phase. Your daily drawdown is 4%. Your maximum overall drawdown is 10%. You've got no time limit on these ones as well. You get your first reward on demand for your payout or rewards every 30 days. You can get leverage up to 1 to 100, and your profit split is the same as the other account options, 80% standard, and the add-on can be 100%. Quickly go through the price options for the GOAT. Find that there's a lot more price options to choose from in this option. The lowest you can get is a 5k account, and that would cost you $17 at the moment. An 8k account would cost you $32, 15k account would cost you $59, 25k account would cost you $93, a 50k account would cost you $160, a 100k account would cost you $268, and a 150k account could cost you $403. Then we go on to the standard option, which is slightly different. So your profit target for the first phase is 10%, and then the second phase is 5%. Your daily drawdown is 5%. Your maximum drawdown is 10%. No time limit again on any of these, with the bi-weekly payout option, being the standard, and you can also add on-demand payouts. Your 5k would cost you $17, your 8k account would cost you $56, a 15k account would cost you $103, a 25k account would cost you $130, a 50k account would cost you $198, a 100k account would cost you $353, and a 200k account would cost you $657. Then you've got the pro option, where your profit target in the first phase is 8%, and in the second phase it is 4%. Your daily drawdown on this is 4%, and your maximum overall drawdown is 8%. Your 5k account on these options would cost you $22, 8k would be $57, 15k would be $96, your 25k account would be $129, your 50k account would be $194, your 100k will be $324, and your 200k would be $648. Okay, so now we're on the 3-step account option, where your profit target across all of these phases is 6%, and this is quite standard for every other 3-step model on competitor prop firms. Your daily drawdown is 4%, and your maximum drawdown is 8%. Again, the same reward schedule on this, so bi-weekly is standard, but you can add the on-demand payouts. Your 10k account would cost you $42, your 15k account would cost you $55, your 25k account would cost you $94, your 50k account would cost you $146, your 100k account would cost you $237, and your 200k account would cost you $432. Then we go on to the instant funding option, where you get 2 options right here: the GOAT, the most popular one, and the standard. So your daily drawdown is 3%, and your maximum drawdown is 6%. Your rewards are bi-weekly with this one. You've got an 80% standard profit split, but you can also add on 100%. Your 5k account would cost you $43, your 10k account would cost you $95, 15k account would cost you $141, 25k account would cost you $199, your 50k account would cost you $303, your 100k account would cost you $498, your 150k account would cost you $662, and your 200k account would cost you $875. Then we go on to the standard option, where the maximum you can get with this is 50k, and this just slightly increases the drawdown requirements. So you get your rewards every 10 days, and you can customize the profit split from 65% up to 95%. Your daily drawdown is 4%, and your maximum drawdown is 8%. You can get a 2.5k account for $66, a 5k account for $79, a 10k account for $268, a 20k account for $538, and a 50k account for $1,281. So like I said, all of these accounts have payment add-ons at checkouts, so we'll go ahead and just get an idea of how much these add-ons would cost. So I'm going to do it on a standard 3-step 100k account. We'll start the challenge. So the 100% profit split would add on 20% of whatever this costs you onto your final balance. Your first payout on demand would add on 15%, or you can do an option where you select both, which is the most popular one and the best in my opinion, because that adds on 30% of whatever your account balance is instead of the 35%. So if you're going to do both add-ons to a standard 100k account on the 3-step option, that would cost you $342. So it adds on basically just under $100. The user interface, the dashboard, and the technology that GOAT Funded Trader have steps everything up a level. We've got a sleek and modern dashboard where you can customize the view of everything from trade history and summaries to your live statistics and funding status. It's all laid out really cleanly. If you're used to clunky interfaces, this one will feel like a breath of fresh air. It runs through Match Trader and Trade Locker, and if you're a MetaTrader fan, MC5 is available too. There's functionality in here as well that actually helps manage your account a lot better. So some prop firms don't actually have this, but you can track your drawdown in real time, monitor your challenge targets, and even check your payout eligibility. Plus the live chat bot and also human support that's really supportive. Traders in their community have consistently mentioned how fast and professional all the responsible traders in their community, which goes over 62,000 of them, have consistently mentioned how fast and professional all of the responses are, especially when it comes to payouts. Here is one section within the Discord channel going through all of the payout certificates that is updated pretty much by all of the users on a daily basis, just to give you an idea of how much people are being paid out on GOAT Funded Trader. But let's look at the commission structure, which is always one of the most important factors when considering a prop firm. For MetaTrader 5, Match Trader, and Trade Locker, GOAT Funded Trader's commission structure involves a flat fee of $0 per lot for cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities, $5 per lot for forex pairs and metals, with raw spread on all of the assets. To sign up to GOAT Funded Trader, you can find that in the first link in our description below. There's also a full in-depth review covering even more of the features that are available on GOAT Funded Trader. Sign up now if you haven't already. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below with any questions that you have regarding this prop firm, and subscribe to us for more trading content. I'll see you in the next video.